They didn't have the small car that we booked, so we got a complimentary upgrade, as it's called. And it's a nice car, but we can't remove the roof, you know, it's not convertible at all. But they didn't have any Mustangs, so no Mustangs, it's fine. I'm happy with this car too. It has everything you need. An engine, steering wheel, gas pedal that I need to use now, as you see, because I'm too slow. It's good. I feel happy. It's a Kia. Not a... It's a... All good. One of the good things in the US that you can actually run a red light if you turn it right. If you are, you know, not having traffic coming through, and it's not no turning on red.
Oh, there you go. Did you guys need a picture? Your tarantula. He right here in the bushes. Oh, they took it. Trying to camouflage. Did you get a picture?
Oh.
You see him?
Yeah.
My God.
Hello, guy. Bye. I'm alright. Thank you.
Yeah, you better know.
Yeah, that was a tarantula spider. Oh, not my favorite things.
Please contact flight attendants when you need help.
So we're going to Area 51, right? That's all fine and good. And we set the GPS on Area 51, I thought. Then we came to a road that was blocked by police. So we say, okay, we have to turn around to get to dead end and blah blah blah. That's a long story, but actually we saw a couple of militaries or something like that. So we stopped to ask them about, you know, an army base, an air force base. They just looked at it, but Area 51. I say, yeah. I said, okay, you have to take the I-95 and I-93. I said, okay, that's the other way. They said, yeah. You know, asking a military about a military base is like, yeah, that felt strange. Especially in this country. Especially after that Facebook thing where they tried to storm the place. But hey, I'm still alive, I think. I think the guy called the other guys and said, hey, there's a couple coming that looks really confused. So just be prepared. I started to meet, so we are turning around in Las Vegas, but that is the road to Area 51.